watching the skies, hoping for the best but expecting the worst. Are you gonna drop the bomb or not? Let us die young or let us live forever. We don't have the power but we never say never. Sitting in a sandpit, life is a short trip. The music's for the sad man. Can you imagine when this race is won? Turn our golden faces into the sun, praising our leaders, we're getting in tune. The music's played by the madman. Forever young, I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Forever, forever, forever young. I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Forever young. Some are like water, some are like the heat. Some are a melody and some are the beat. Sooner or later they all will be gone. Why don't they stay young? It's so hard to get old without a cause. I don't want to perish like a fleeting horse. Youth like diamonds in the sun, and diamonds are forever. So many adventures couldn't happen today. So many songs we forgot to play. So many dreams swinging out of the blue. But let them come true. Forever young, I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Forever.
I know water that's thicker than blood, that's deeper than love with my friends. People coming, some people going, some people ride till the end. When I am blind in my mind, I swear they be my rescue, my lifeline. I don't know what I'd do if I'd survive. My brothers and my sisters in my life. Yeah, I know some people, they would die for me. We run together, they're my family. When I get up, they gon' be high with me. I'll say forever, my family. Family. I'll say forever, my family. I'll say forever, my family. Stolen dreams took out, I try to stay still. Ain't nothing changed, now we're grown. We're still young, still got our mindless ways in a timeless phase, kicking songs. When I am blind in my mind, I swear they be my rescue, my lifeline. I don't know what I'd do if I'd survive. My brothers and my sisters in my life. Yeah, I know some people, they would die for me. We run together, they're my family. When I get up, they gon' be high with me. I'll say forever, my family. Family. I'll say forever, my family.
Hi Ate Lisa, happy birthday, happy retirement. Doon po sa hindi nakakakilala sa akin, I'm Lieutenant Colonel Abigail Gesta Dancel, Nurse Corps. Gesta nung nakasama ko po si Ate Lisa. Nakasama ko siya 2007 until 2009. Si Ate Lisa yung civilian supervisor that time. At the same time, siya yung aming in charge sa aming adopted barangay. Si Ate Lisa yung motherly figure naming mga NC doon sa CDO. Siya yung isa siyang mabait, approachable, accommodating at dedicated na employee ng Port ID. Silang dalawa ni Tito Bogs yung naging parents namin, lalo na sa akin. Then yung si Macmac, si Denden at si Marigold naman yung aking mga naging kapatid sa CDO. May mga time na after duty, magte-text siya or sasabihin niya, Ma'am Abby, sama ka dito sa amin. Kakain kami doon sa Limketkay, mag-snacks, yan. Or may isa pang incident na minsan walang kuryente doon sa quarters. Ang gagawin niya, magte-text siya, Ma'am Abby, punta ka, dito ka na lang maligo. O, pag weekend naman, magte-text siya, Ma'am Abby, saan ka? Anong ginagawa mo? Ma'am Abby, punta ka dito sa bahay ka, dito ka na mag-lunch, dito ka mag-dinner. Minsan ginagabi na ako doon sa bahay nila. Nung ACN admin ako dyan sa SES, sa dami ng accomplishment niya, hindi ko alam kung paano ko sisimulan, kung paano ko gagawin yung write-up. Buti na lang nabit namin bago mag-deadline, nakagawa ako ng write-up for her, then na-submit namin, at talaga sa dami ng accomplishment niya, nanalo siya as best CHR ng Port ID. Dinala din yon hanggang nanalo din siya ng best CHR ng Philippine Army 2000. Dahil siya yung aming mother o foster parent ko doon, noong nanligaw sa akin yung husband ko na ngayon, pinakilala ko din sa kanya, sa kanila ni Tito Bogs. 2011 naman, nagpakasal ako, invited sila ni Tito Bogs, pero nagsabi siya, hindi siya makakapunta. Kaya, ang ginawa niya, nagpadala siya ng 2 malaking lechon, via Cebu Pacific, libre lahat yon. Kaya, thankful talaga kami sa kanya. Then 2012, na-deploy ako for Typhoon Sendong as medical team. Si Ate Lisa gumawa na naman ng way para magkita kami ng asawa ko, kasi that time doon siya assigned sa sa Mindanao, pero sa ibang batalyon ng Cagayan de Oro. Gumawa siya ng way, nagkita kami ng asawa ko, at yung binigyan niya kami ng 2 days hotel accommodation for free. Pag toxic ako sa duty, ang ginagawa ko, tinetext ko siya. Ang ginagawa naman niya, Ma'am Abby, labas tayo. So, pupunta kami sa labas, sa tabing dagat, maglalakad kami doon, magkukwentuhan, hanggang sa naging rutina namin yun na pag wala akong ginagawa, pumupunta talaga ako sa kanila. Pati yung mga hospital visit dun sa mga mga TCN, talagang kasama din siya sa preparation. Natatandaan ko na kaya ako nakapunta kasama siya na nagpunta kami ng Maria Cristina Falls sa Iligan. So, marami talagang accomplishment si Ate Lisa, at talagang mamimiss siya ng SES. Pati ako, mamimiss ko siya. Kaya Ate Lisa, thank you for your service. Happy birthday, happy retirement. Congratulations sa lahat ng nagawa mo. Mamimiss kita. Usapan natin, babalik ako dyan. Pupuntahan kita. Pero hindi na kung aalis ka na. So, congratulations. Enjoy your time with your apos. Baka alam ko susunod ka kay Tito Bogs kasi nandun na si Tito Bogs. So, thank you sa naging treatment or naging pag-aalaga mo sa akin at pati sa husband ko, kay Major Dave Dancel, nung nandyan kami. Hindi ka namin makakalimutan. Thank you.
Hi, Ninang! Congratulations! Grabe! Sobrang proud ako sa'yo. Sa lahat po ng hindi nakakilala sa akin, I am Captain Joyce Angeline V. Celebra, Nurse Corps. dati pong Lieutenant Valencia sa 4th Infantry Division, Philippine Army. Assigned po ako last 2013 to 2017 sa hospital as one of the head nurse sa dependents ward, military ward, and a public health officer. Nakasama ko po si Ninang Lisa Cabugnason sa being a public health officer during my stay in the 4th Infantry Division. Kami po yung nag-facilitate or nag-initiate ng HEPA vaccination, pneumococcal vaccination. Grabe po ang effort ni Ninang Lisa sa pag-collate or encourage sa Department of Health para tulungan po kami sa aming advocacy. And Ninang, I miss you so much. Alam ko na you're very satisfied with your years in the service kasi nakita ko ang effort. Hindi ka magiging best civilian employee of the year kung hindi mo deserve. So, you deserve it all, Ninang. Sabi nga ng SM, you deserve it all. Tama ba ako? Anyways, Ninang, I love you so much, and hopefully magkita tayo dito sa Manila. Nasa Victoriano Luna Medical Center lang ako. Dumalaw lang, huwag magpa-check up. Tandaan po natin yon. So, I hope to see you again, and ingat po also, and hi kay Tito, kay Ninong. I miss you, and kung di nyo po nalalaman, inaanak po kami ni Edsa sa kasal ni Ninang. Kasama po si Ninang Lourdes Paler. So, isa po si Ninang talaga sa nag-guide sa aming marriage, sa mga suggestions, and we look also forward na ma-maintain po din namin yung marriage namin just like Ninong and Ninang. So, again, congratulations, Ninang. A happy despedida. Mukhang pupunta ka ng ibang bansa, and enjoy your retirement, Ninang. Alam ko naman na donyang-donya ka na dyan. So, I love you. Bye!
Hello, Ma'am Ninang. Happy birthday and happy retirement. I wish you all the best in life. I am very grateful to have you as my Ninang. Si Ma'am Ninang is very hardworking and very dedicated sa work niya. Wala ka nang hahanapin. Napakasarap kasama. God bless always, Ma'am. And regards to Ninong.
Hello, good day everyone. I'm sending this message to a gorgeous, strong-willed, loving person, my dear cousin Elisa Nalagon Ruyo Cabugnason. Happiest birthday, Bing. You deserve a big blast on your 65th birthday, and congratulations as well to your well-deserved retirement. This calls for a celebration, not just simple, but of course, an extra wonderful event to expect lots of memories to recall as you live for years to come. I wish you more blessings, the best of health, abundance, success, and a blissful family life. As you embark a new journey in your retirement, may the years to come be as rewarding and fulfilling as your career. May all the years ahead be filled with new endeavors and happy adventures. Enjoy every moment, live the present with more love and happiness. God bless you. Long live, cheers, and congratulations.
Hi Lisa! Happy birthday! And congratulations to your well-deserved retirement for 45 years. Wow! That's a milestone. But anyway, today is your day. Enjoy, and I'm sure you have a gorgeous and bongacious party with all your friends and family. So I wish you all the best, and of course good health and God's blessing. Cheers for another fabulous year of life. Okay, enjoy. Hopefully we'll see you next year when I go home. So, magtapok-tapok na punta o banding. Puhon. Okay, bye-bye. Cheers. Bye.
Hello! Hi Liz! Greetings from London. It's cold here. Naka-uniforme pa ako. Wearing my scarf para di magka-sore throat or whatever. Because change of weather. And anyway, I've done this video to greet you a very happy birthday. More blissful years ahead. Protection and good health. And as I've heard that you are on your retirement, I'm so proud of you, my dearest friend. Anyway, no more stress of time management, no more heartaches because of losing a patient under your care, no more daily routine of putting on uniforms and lipstick. No more Christmases and birthdays and parties to miss. This time, you are your own boss. Your retirement gives you more ways to conquer, explore, and travel more. Your retirement is just another journey of life. So, enjoy the best of it. While we can, keep traveling. While we can walk, enjoy walking. While we can party, wiggle and dance and giggle. Maintain that charm and vibrance in life. Anyway, I love you, Liz. God bless you.
Hello Ate Lisa, time check, 10:30 na dito sa amin at kasalukuyan kaming binabagyo ni Typhoon Pepito. Pero dahil malakas ka sa akin at dahil loves kita, eto ako nagmamaganda gabing-gabi. So, happy birthday and happy retirement sa isa sa mga favorite ko na CHR. So, marami-rami na rin kaming pinagsamahan nito since 2008. Naalala ko pa noon, palagi ko siyang kasama tuwing PPHC kami sa Barangay Opol. So, maraming salamat sa support, maraming salamat sa paniniwala, at maraming salamat sa inspirasyon na binigay mo sa akin para maging ganitong klase akong nurse corps officer sa ngayon. Ang wish ko para sa'yo ay good health, kasi alam ko marami ka pang planong gawin. Isa na dyan yung maging full-time lola ka sa mga apo mo, at maraming blessings pa, kasi isa kang malaking blessing sa bawat tao na nakakasalamuha mo. So, nandito lang ako palagi para sa'yo. Once again, happy birthday and happy retirement. I love you! Mwah!
This is for you, Elisa Royo Nalagon. Bibing. Before I give you my birthday message, I can't take my eyes off you. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. You big like heaven to touch. Wanna hold you so much. As long as love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. Pardon the way that I stay. There's nothing else to compare. That sight of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak. But if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. Happy birthday once again to you, Bibing Nalagon. Those are retirement, but it's speaking at the same time. Love you, baby. I mean, it's quite alright. I need you, baby. But the lonely nights, I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh, pretty baby, don't bring me down, I pray, oh, pretty baby. Now that I found you, stay, I let me love you, baby, let me love you. Okay, my birthday message will be the next review, then is Loloy Paasa. Guys, hi Bing. This is your friend from Canada, the city of Winnipeg, province of Manitoba. We call ourselves as friendly Manitobans. So, mga friendly kami ni may galaon. Sama ka ninyo, sama ka nimo, may galaon ka diha sa Cagayan de Oro kay the city of Golden Friendship. So, sa ato ginang parugan nga mahigalaon ta. Pero sa atong pagka may galaon sama kanimo, dili sad ta magpaabusar og tao kay sama kanimo, sama kanako, kay close friend bang gid ta atong una, pero karon open friend na. Mas may nang open friend kay aron open gid ta sa bisan unsa natong gusto isulti. O then hibalo ko unsa ka buutan nga tao at the same time tough person. Gusto nimo eksakto di prinsipyo gid nga tao, ang gusto nimo ang eksakto lang. O doon ko lang tong unang panahon nga dalaga pa ka ba? When you're a teenager. I remembered Mother Consuelo. Kaya nag-away mo bitaw. Dili na ako isulti. Ganto ka sa opisina, nag-report ka sa ako, sus grabe ka maldita. Pero yung pagkamaldita kay soft-hearted ba ka? Maluluyon. O, I am very grateful. Pasalamaton ko nga nagpadayon ka sa nasugdan sa imong mama, ni Mother yung kanang pagpadayon sa pag-evangelize sa mga tao through sa pagpaila sa mahal nga Birhen Maria. So congratulations for that and congratulations once again. Pero pildi ka na ako bingkay tulo man akong citizenship, imo duha raman. Di ba ang imo ko raman nga ng senior citizen, then Filipino citizen. Ako tulo ako, senior citizen, Filipino citizen, Canadian citizen. Busa, murag digig ko nimo absent siguro ba? Apas ako bi. Uli ka sa okay, bitawing ka na to kita para kitag mga wala no hold bars. So, regards ko tanan niya o ang imong mga bisita, pamilya. May you have the very good health every day and be always grateful sa Ginoo sa tanang gihatag kanato nga grasya sa atong kinabuhi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my dear friend, Bibing. Regards to Jubik and your kid.